Mamacita, 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 yeah, yeah. Mamacita, 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 oh, mamacita, mamacita. Eu toujours dit le même pas de quoi, l'amour qu'on fait, eu pas du temps.
Hi friends, again it's me Dimitri, your friend. Welcome back once more to my channel with Un Parler Creole this time, okay? And this was a compa song, guys. That's how we call Haitian music in Haiti. Compa. I'll put it on the screen for you. Compa. I don't know how to dance compa, but if you want to ask your girlfriend or your your partner, hey, you want to dance with me? In Haitian Creole, it's pretty easy. Ou voulez faire un petit danser avec? Ou voulez faire un petit danser avec? Okay? Ou voulez faire un petit danser avec? Alright, so that's pretty much what it is right now, guys. So today we're going to talk about love, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do not forget to subscribe, share the video, comment down below, and of course, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload another video, it could be a Haitian Creole lesson or a cover, because I actually do, covers. I cover some songs. I really love singing, so I really do some covers, which is also part of this channel. But the main reason is Haitian Creole. The main purpose of this channel is Haitian Creole. Stay tuned, guys. Let's learn some Haitian Creole. Alright, so just before we get started, let's get to know, how do we call Valentine's Day in Haiti? It's simple. Fête Saint-Valentin. Fête Saint-Valentin. Okay? So let's go ahead here and see some sweet names that we do call each other when it comes to a relationship in Haitian Creole. Okay? So we have here chérie or doudou. Chérie or doudou. Sometimes we can, actually call both names in one, like chérie doudou. Chérie doudou. Same thing. Okay? And this means baby, love, boo, honey. And here we have chérie moi. Chérie moi, or doudou moi. Doudou moi. That's my love. And here we have cocotte. Cocotte, or chouchou. Chouchou, or bébé. Bébé, or ti doudou. Ti doudou. These all mean sweetheart. And here, let's see some names. Madame. Madame, that's wife. C'est madame moi. C'est madame moi. This is my wife. Mari. Mari, that's husband. C'est mari moi. C'est mari moi. This is my husband. And so here, guys, we have ménage. Ménage. It means both girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay? So, c'est ménage moi. It could be saying, this is my girlfriend, if it's a girl, of course, or this is my boyfriend, if it's boy. So ménage, it's both girlfriend and boyfriend. Alright, quickly, let's go ahead and see some short sentences, okay? So we have ou manquim, or we have moi songeo. That's I miss you. Most likely when the person is actually away from you, okay? So when they come back, you can just add te after ou, which is ou te manquim, or moi te songeo. I missed you. Moi envie well. Moi envie well. I want to see you. Ou se premier l'amour. Ou se premier l'amour. You are my first love. Mwen pa ka vive sans ou. Mwen pa ka vive sans ou. I can't live without you. S'il vous plaît, pardonnez-moi, chérie. S'il vous plaît, pardonnez-moi, chérie. Please forgive me, baby. Mwen remè ou. Mwen remè ou. I love you. Fè ti beau pour moi. Fè ti beau pour moi. Give me a kiss. Or you can say, boom. Boom. It's like, kiss me. Mwen vle ave ou, chérie. Mwen vle ave ou, chérie. I want to be with you, baby. Ou belle. Ou belle. That's for both. You're beautiful or you're handsome. Bam en accolade. Bam en accolade. Give me a hug. Femme douce moi. Femme douce moi. My sweet woman. Nèg douce moi. Nèg douce moi. My sweet man. Moins d'amour. Moins d'amour. I'm in love with you. Moins vle ou. Moins vle ou. I want you. And in here, guys, we're looking at the verb to make love, which is faire l'amour. Faire l'amour. And we use that in a sentence. Mwen vle faire l'amour avec ou. Mwen vle faire l'amour avec ou. I want to make love with you.